NewHomeSource visited the 2018 Kitchen and Bath Industry Show, known as KBIS, to find products and ideas for your new home. Do you have certain brands you love and wish they made more products? It makes sense, right? You're a fan of a certain lighting line and you wish they made hardware. Well, that's happening.
You've probably heard of Trex decking. Well, walking around the booth, we've learned that there's a lot more that the company offers now. Basically, everything imaginable for outdoor living.
Trex entered the outdoor kitchen market last year. Their outdoor cabinetry is made from a high-density resin. Configurations are totally customizable, so you can add a refrigerator, wine rack, cooler, drawers, and more. Trex Lattice Works comes in 9 different styles and were shown at IBS for the first time. Lattice Works comes in black or white, and they can be used in many creative ways. Trex Pergola comes in 6 standard sizes and a virtually unlimited number of custom sizes. The classic charm and style of a pergola gives you the framework for your outdoor room. You know Kohler for their toilets and shower heads. They've always been a leader in style and functionality and had a loyal following. So, it's not surprising that they've moved into kitchen accessories. This year, they introduced a step trash can, which comes in matte black, a color we're seeing a lot of at KBIS.